Growing your own food is incredibly rewarding, and it doesn't require a large garden plot. For many home gardeners and urban farmers, space is a premium. That's where container gardening, especially with readily available materials like cardboard boxes, becomes a fantastic solution. Carrots, often thought of as a challenging root vegetable for containers, actually thrive in the right conditions within a box. This method is perfect for beginners, offering a simple, cost-effective way to enjoy fresh, homegrown carrots. It's also an excellent way to repurpose materials and practice sustainable gardening. Cardboard boxes provide a temporary, biodegradable growing space that's easy to move and manage. They offer good drainage and can be placed almost anywhere with adequate sunlight. This approach minimizes soil compaction, which is crucial for straight, well-formed carrots. Before you begin, gather everything you'll need for this project. The beauty of growing in cardboard boxes is that most materials are inexpensive or even free. A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring your carrot crop is successful. First, you'll need a sturdy cardboard box. Look for one that is at least 12 to 18 inches deep to allow carrots ample room to grow downwards. Deeper boxes are always better for root vegetables. Avoid boxes that have been treated with chemicals or are excessively waxy. Next, select your carrot seeds. Choose varieties known to do well in containers or shorter varieties if your box isn't exceptionally deep. Popular choices include Danvers half-long, Nantes, or Little Finger. Always check the seed packet for specific growing instructions and maturity times. For your growing medium, a high-quality potting mix is essential. This should be light, well-draining, and free of large clumps or stones. You'll also need a small trowel or scoop for handling the soil and a watering can with a fine rose to gently water your seeds and seedlings. Proper preparation of your cardboard box is crucial for the health of your carrots. While cardboard is biodegradable, a few simple steps can extend its life and ensure optimal growing conditions. This process is straightforward and quick. Begin by reinforcing the bottom of your box if it feels flimsy. You can use packing tape or even an extra layer of cardboard. This adds stability and prevents the bottom from giving out once it's filled with moist soil. Next, create drainage holes in the bottom of the box. Use a sharp knife or a drill to make several holes, about ½ an inch in diameter, spaced a few inches apart. Good drainage is vital to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot and stunted carrot growth. Consider lining the inside of your box with a layer of newspaper or a biodegradable landscape fabric. This helps to retain moisture, prevent soil from washing out, and can slightly extend the life of the box. Ensure the lining doesn't block your newly created drainage holes. Carrots need loose, stone-free soil to grow long and straight. A dense or rocky soil will cause them to fork or become stunted. This step is perhaps the most critical for a successful carrot harvest. Fill your prepared cardboard box with a high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Avoid using heavy garden soil, as it often compacts too much for root vegetables. You can amend your potting mix with a little compost to add nutrients, but keep it light and fluffy. Level the soil surface gently, but do not compact it. Carrots are sensitive to soil compaction. Lightly moisten the soil before sowing your seeds. This ensures the seeds have immediate access to moisture for germination. Carrot seeds are tiny, so sowing them evenly can be a challenge. Sprinkle the seeds thinly over the soil surface. Aim for about ½ an inch apart. If you sow them too thickly, you'll have to do a lot of thinning later, which can disturb the roots of the remaining plants. After scattering the seeds, cover them with a very thin layer of potting mix, no more than ½ an inch deep. Gently pat the soil down with your hand, just enough to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Water very gently with a fine spray to avoid displacing the seeds. Once your seeds are sown, consistent care is key to healthy carrot growth. This involves careful watering, providing adequate sunlight, and timely thinning. Neglecting these steps can significantly impact your yield. Place your cardboard box in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Carrots are sun-loving plants and need plenty of light to develop their sweet flavor and vibrant color. A sunny patio, balcony, or rooftop is ideal. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Check the soil moisture daily by feeling the top inch. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause carrots to become tough and bitter. Germination can take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks, so be patient. Once your carrot seedlings emerge and are about an inch tall, it's time for the crucial step of thinning. This is often overlooked, but is vital for proper carrot development. Thin your seedlings to about 2 to 3 inches apart. This gives each carrot enough space to grow without competing for nutrients and moisture. Gently pull out the weaker seedlings, being careful not to disturb the roots of the ones you're keeping. You can even snip them at the soil line to avoid root disturbance. Monitor your carrots for common pests like carrot rust flies or aphids. Organic pest control methods, such as neem oil or insecticidal soap, can be effective if infestations occur. Healthy plants are generally more resistant to pests and diseases. The most exciting part of growing carrots is the harvest. Knowing when and how to harvest ensures you get the best flavor and texture from your homegrown crop. Patience is a virtue, but don't wait too long. Most carrot varieties are ready for harvest in 60 to 80 days, depending on the specific type and growing conditions. Check your seed packet for the estimated maturity date. You can also tell they're ready when the tops of the carrot roots begin to show just above the soil line. To harvest, gently loosen the soil around the carrot with your hands or a small trowel. Then, grasp the greens firmly near the base and pull the carrot straight up. Avoid twisting, as this can break the root. If you only need a few carrots, you can harvest them as needed, leaving the others to continue growing. This is known as succession harvesting. For a larger harvest, you can pull all the mature carrots at once. Growing carrots in a cardboard box is a simple, accessible, and rewarding gardening project for anyone. It proves that you don't need a vast garden to enjoy fresh, organic produce right from your home. This method is perfect for urban dwellers, beginners, and those looking for sustainable gardening solutions.